Good evening. Boy, was it beautiful this afternoon? Oh, Lord. I got my bar out back now. So I'm going to do it under my overhang. I tasted that tri-tip. It's really good, but in these, I really love it. That thing was huge. It was more like a roast than it was a steak. So I'm never do a tri-tip that big. It's gonna take some time. I got it all sealed up in foil and gonna pay them. It'll be good. Much time to eat. Boy, these Cavs didn't mess around. They're not messing around, are they? They went up to Detroit to play some ball. They're balling, man. I don't see any way that Detroit can come back in their own arena to win this. Those Cavs came to play. I did a Kroger order. And from 9 to 10 tomorrow, they're going to come over. Bring me a delivery. For some reason, somebody got me thinking about stuff in chat. I said, you know what? It's been about a year and a half since I did a Stromboli. Oh yeah, I bought all this stuff, even the butter, the base and stuff. Everything. Mushroom, everything. Sometime this week, I'm going to make a really good Stromboli about that long. Now, tomorrow, I got my mind on something. Well, several things. We're going to be up in the 90s. 90s tomorrow. Hey. Now that's getting a little too hot for Daddy. When we get up in the 90s, now you're pushing it. So we're going to have to tear that old pool down. And we're going to have to wash all those tarps off. I'll get my hose hooked up. Wash all them tarps. And then we're going to have to put up that new pool back here. And get some water in it. And some chlorine tablets in it. Floating around. And see what back there is salvageable and what isn't. And maybe order a nice raft to float around on. I don't know. But when we're talking 90s, you know, it's time to get wet. It's time to get your dick wet. Stick your head out of the water, you know? For real. And that's what I plan on doing. I also didn't screw up this time. I bought myself some, even though it costs more, but I love it. I bought Kroger brand deviled egg potato salad. Oh, it's good. I've been thinking about that. I bought some burger patties. Sometime this week we're gonna do burgers. Yeah, pork and beans, and put some pork and beans on maybe. Potato salad, that sounds good to me. Actually, I'll probably eat some of that tomorrow with what I'm going to cook on the grill when I get my pool set up. This pool situation figured out. Yep. I'm glad. Matter of fact, I need to go in there in the freezer and pull it out. I got a whole pack of chicken. I like to cut my chickens in half and do sides of chicken. It's perfect for one person. I'm going to do a side of chicken, whole side. I don't know what else to put on it. You know what I did screw up at? I forgot to buy some corn. I'm out of corn now. Maybe I can add to my order. Let me see if I can. Because look. You gotta have corn when you barbecue. Or asparagus. I'll tell you what, there's nothing better than some bacon wrapped asparagus with some Parmesan on top of it and a foil pack. Put it on your grill. Oh Lord, have mercy. That'll make your taste buds go nuts. So that's my plan. That is absolutely my plan. So, side of chicken tomorrow, putting the pool up, and get summer started. And I may, if I get real nasty and feisty, put some sunflower seeds in the ground. Get some sunflowers going. I'm not going to do a garden this year. I'm just going to. I've had a bad experience the last couple of years. I can't get any yield, man. It's not been working out right. It's not because I'm putting, maybe I've got my planting places too fertilized. Maybe it needs to rest for a while. Well, let me get off here. I see some people are starting to come in my room. Everybody have a good evening. We'll eat some tri-tip and a loaded baked potato and some corn. I hope you and yours are all well, and I hope all you guys eat well, or have already ate. I don't eat so late, but I'm going to finish this game up, figure out the rest of my evening. Probably put some coast to coast on. That's what I'm thinking. Get up tomorrow and do it again. Bye. Love you.